What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, probably like over 2 years, and I did a bunch of stuff to the car and I recorded absolutely none of it. So I'm gonna try to see if I can revive the channel. I'll give you a quick update on the car, what I did to it, and like I said, hopefully moving forward I'll record more of whatever I do to it. All right, let's go. Alright, I'm gonna make a voiceover because the wind noise was pretty insane when I came back to watch the video. We're gonna start with suspension. So we have Function Form Type 2 coils. I highly recommend them. Front camber kit, I have Skunk 2s and SPC rear camber kits. Hard Race inner and outer tie rods. Hard Race compliance bushings, lower control arms bushings, and front ball joints, all from Hard Race. Great company, great bushings. I think that's it for the suspension. I do have rear lower control arms and subframe brace, just haven't installed them yet, so that's in a future video, so look out for that. Moving on to the exterior, we have the JDM clear corner reps, spoon style mirrors. I'm not paying $800 for mirrors. You guys who are doing so are crazy, I think. Front lip is a Basin R eBay lip. EK side skirts, Live Sport wing from Japan. Fitment's pretty good. I wish it was better, but it is what it is. Red clear taillights. SI wheels. Just a nice, clean, simple look. I did get my windshield replaced, and I do have brand new OEM windshield trim. I took the front emblem off the hood and put the I think it was Revel Machines emblem on there. I think it's a nice touch. But yeah, nothing too crazy for the exterior. Onto the interior, nothing crazy, just quick release with the Momo steering wheel, Airstar dogleg for the shifter, armrest, and I got the radio block off, and also the JDI Ghost box, so I can still listen to music. It just connects via Bluetooth. But other than that, yeah, it's pretty simple on the inside. Not much when it comes to the engine, just a simple Amazon air intake. I had that done in wrinkled black along with the valve cover just to make it look refreshed. New speed strut bar, I polished that up. It's actually one of my favorite pieces of the car. And other than that, just the Resto tuner bolts throughout the engine bay. I have a bunch more that I still have to do, but we'll get there. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Like I said, I'm going to try to make more videos. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Like the video if you want, comment. Maybe give me some ideas on what else I should do other than an engine swap, because I don't have money for that. But yeah, until next one, peace.